Hey, it's me, Duncan, and welcome back to another MenuDocs tutorial. In this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to shard your bot and tell you some things to keep in mind while sharding. So first off, sharding a bot is really easy. Instead of the new JDA builder, we're gonna use the new default shard manager builder. And we can basically copy a lot of things from here. So we can like set the token, we can set the game, and instead of add event listeners, it's add event listeners, because it accepts multiple parameters, and we're gonna build. Right now we can just throw this out and it doesn't throw interrupted exception anymore because we can't await this. And now our bot is sharded. Of course, this doesn't mean we're going to have multiple shards immediately, because by default it will choose the recommended amount of shards. And because my test bot is only in one guild, it will give me one shard. If we want to force multiple shards, we're gonna say set shards total, and I'm gonna set 2. It is very important to not create more shards than you need if you're doing this manually, because every shard is a new JDA instance. And if you create 100 shards, it's gonna be very memory intensive. So right now, if we're gonna boot with 2 shards, everything should work fine because we don't store the JDA object. And as you can see, while it's logging in, we're seeing here 0 out of 2. What this means, it means the total shards and the current shard. Shard indexes are 0 based, so this means it's shard 1 and this is shard 2. Also, this error what you're seeing over here is only if you're using Java 11, because Java 11 fucked something up. And I'm using Java 11. But as you can see, the bot booted 2 shards. And if we're gonna say !help, it doesn't do anything because the commands aren't loaded from the previous episode. But what we also can see is that on the current that we are on shard 2 instead of shard 0. So a quick reboot of the bot with enabling the commands shows you that it just works fine and that we now have sharded our bot with 2 shards. So I hope you enjoyed this very short tutorial. If you did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to MenuDocs if you haven't already, subscribe to my own channel which is linked in the description, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Yeah, that body's a blessing, girl. I ain't trying to pressure her. She messed with the temperature, I wrote the song, but I am the messenger. Through the metropolis, there is no stopping this. Flowers and kisses, yeah. I heard you like chocolate. Light up the candles.